In the bustling city of Metropolis, anticipation hung heavy in the air as Independence Day approached. The streets buzzed with excitement, adorned with flags and banners, each fluttering proudly in the summer breeze. For the citizens of Metropolis, this day held profound significance. It marked the anniversary of their liberation from tyranny and the birth of their nation. At the heart of the city, a grand parade was underway. Spectators lined the streets, cheering as marching bands, colorful floats, and groups of performers passed by. Among the crowd stood Sarah, a young girl with bright eyes and a heart full of patriotism. She clutched a miniature flag in her hand, waving it enthusiastically as the procession moved forward. As the parade reached its climax, Sarah's attention was drawn to a group of veterans marching solemnly, their uniforms adorned with medals of valor. Her gaze lingered on an elderly man at the front, his weathered face edged with the scars of battles long past. In that moment, Sarah felt a surge of gratitude for those who had sacrificed so much to secure the freedoms she enjoyed. After the parade, Sarah joined her family for a picnic in the park. As they sat on a blanket spread beneath the shade of a towering oak tree, her grandfather began to recount tales of his own experiences during the War for Independence. His stories painted vivid images of courage, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of the people who had fought for their freedom. As the day drew to a close, the sky above Metropolis began to darken, signaling the start of the evening's festivities. Sarah and her family made their way to the town square, where a dazzling fireworks display lit up the night sky in a kaleidoscope of colors against the backdrop of exploding stars. Sarah felt a profound sense of pride in her nation and its hard-won independence.